Respected sir, my dear onlookers, my dear friends and little students. Today we are going to discuss about the creator of the whole universe. At first, I would like to thank the creator of the whole universe. Afterwards, I would like to thank you that you are giving your precious time to listen me and watch my videos. Really, you were great and you will be great. But this moment, I don't know what is your position. I am saying this why? Perhaps you are unable to understand why I am telling this. What is your position now? Are you great or not? Because we don't think about the creator of the whole universe. Do you know who has created us? Who has given us everything well? Who has made us? And what for has he made us? Why has he sent us? Perhaps we don't think about this. We have no time to think about this. Only we pass our life, and one day it comes, we will die. But before dying, we have to do many things. He has sent us in this world to do good deeds. Because he wants to examine us. This is why he has sent us. And we think, we name them differently. We can say them God, Allah, Ishwar, Bhagwan. But I think the creator of the whole universe is only one, the unique. He is the unique. He is almighty. He has all the power to do. He can do anything. He can change a mobile into a glass. He can change a man into a woman. It is my belief. I believe that he can do everything. So before, and we have different religions, we follow the different religions. It is our right, we can do. But before following and before doing, suppose we are doing namaz, we are worshipping in temple, we are praying in a church. Before doing that, we have to clear our heart. That means we should have a clear heart. We should have open heart. If we have open heart and we do something as namaz, prayer, worship, God will like us. And he has sent us to good deeds. If we are doing good things, we should not live for ourselves. We should live for others. We should do good deeds for others. Suppose we are starting a work and it will not give a benefit to others, we should leave that work. We should do that work which give benefit to others. Only for my benefit, only for our benefit, we should not do that work. Okay? So God has sent us to do good deeds, and if we do good deeds, after that we will be sent in heaven. And if we don't do good things, after that what will be, where will we be sent? I don't know, but we will not be sent in heaven. It is clear. Okay, so we should do always good things. I advise and I also try. Pray for me. We should pray for one another so that we can do good deeds. Okay? Thank you.